Greetings, my viewers, listeners, and potential students, both national and international, who are currently watching me live here. I have taken upon me this relevant responsibility to come on media to tell you how important or how paramount the study of theology is to humanity. Today we are all fighting to study social science courses, humanity, management courses, business, and many other disciplines. But we have forgotten one thing, that all these disciplines without theology are rendered irrelevant. They are rendered irrelevant. Remember that theology is the embodiment of all secular disciplines, and science is the offspring of theology. If you take God, His Word, and creation out of the scene, then science will remain handicapped. Because the word theology hailed from the Greek word theologia. And when this word is divided into two subdivisions, it may appear as theo and logia, or theo and logos. Okay? Theo means God, and logia or logos means His infallible word. His infallible word. Okay? And we all came to know that the whole world, excluding man, was created by the word of God, by the command of God, by the directive and instruction of God. Okay? So, and some do say that science is the study of nature. And we know that nature is made or created by God. And when God is taken out of the scene of human reasoning and nature, then there will be no science at all. There will be no science at all. Okay? We know that science has to do with knowledge. And knowledge is knowing. Okay? Knowledge is knowing. And where is this knowledge attached? Knowledge is attached with humanity. So if there are no humanities, then there is no knowledge as well. Okay? So, we have many secular disciplines in theology which got their source out of theological discourse. One of these is agriculture. We all know that agriculture is from theology. And Yahushua HaMashiach made it plain to us. He gave us the clearer picture, the clearer understanding, the in-depth teaching of how plant grows and on which type of soil plant grows. That is in the parable of the sower. When he says in his parable, and I quote, that there was a certain man who went to sow, and he broadcast some of the seeds, and they fell on the road path. And because the road path has been compacted by the continuous, stepping of humans, okay? Humans have been stepping on the soil, and the holes of the follicles are now compacted. They are being compressed. They are being closed. So there is no infiltration of water and no oxygenation of oxygen. So what happens? The micro and macroorganism in the soil die. And their presence in the soil is very important. They give valuable nutrients to soil, which may help seeds to grow. Okay? So they could not do well. They were even eaten by the fowl of the air or by the birds because they were on the road path. Okay? Some fell among thorns. We know what is weed in agriculture. Weeds are unwanted plants that may tend to grow among our crops. And their presence around our crop is on negative basis because they will have to compete with our crops in the area of sunlight, in the area of space, and even air, which may suppress and choke the crop to not do well as per the farmer's expectation. So the good thing we can do to them is to uproot them. Okay, that is weed. So if seeds are being grown among weeds, they will not do well. They are going to be choked and they are going to be deprived of sunlight, of space, and of oxygen. Okay, which will result to the immediate death of the crops. Follow more to learn and share these. The episode 2 of the importance of theology will come again. This is just the glimpse of what I've started today. Remain blessed and be blessed. This is from the Lawrence Bible Institute in Freetown, Sierra Leone, West Africa. And I am Dr. Foyah, your trader. You blessed.